This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x287 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, self-contained, stovetop burner, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, TV antenna, refrigerator, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x287 RLS is 11,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.